they should get the spot. And then we go into the final. So everything is Thanks, Bob. Okay, we got a race going. Going right now. And we have Q Dragons in lane 1, Bad Los Pollos Hermanos in lane 2, 3, Large A, we know what the A stands for, and California under 23. Right now, it looks like Large A is in front. California under 23, second, Bad Los Pollos Hermanos, 2, and Q Dragons, lane 1. Looks like the race is out, 3 and 4. Lord A is out in front right now with California under 23 trying to make a run at him. Lord A is still out, California 23 is making a run right now. Here we go, here comes the race. They're about even right now. Who wants it most? Who wants it most? Who's going to push hardest? Lard is out front by head. Under 23 is trying to make a run on him. Lard is pushing hard. And it looks like it's going to be Lard. California in second. And Bad bringing it up for third.